guys, today we're gonna make slime, and I'm already packed.
So that's the first slime that we made. So it's just glue, no color, but this time we can add color to it.
Yeah,
And
but
then-
we gotta break it apart so we won't bite.
Okay. So we only need 3 ingredients. First one is the Elmer's white glue, and then what do you call this? Borax solution or that saline solution, baking soda, and food coloring. Let me see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like.
So I'm gonna have another turn when you're done.
Okay.
Alright, first, and then we gotta mix it up.
Okay. So here we have 1 cup of glue, white glue, and then we're gonna add some color. What color? We're gonna start with red.
Yeah. Baby, we want to take it apart. Hazel. Oh, looks like... Hey, Mommy, baby, if we mix up... Oh, strawberries everywhere. Hey, Mommy, it's my turn. My turn.
Okay, just squeeze a little. Okay, that's enough.
Here, one more.
Okay.
Here, Tiffy wants to turn with it.
Okay, just a little squeeze.
A little squeeze.
Okay, that's enough.
It's a little squeeze, Tiffy. Oh, a strawberry.
Okay, that's
There's
enough.
strawberries everywhere. It's
Okay.
mixed up. No,
Now mix it up.
After the blue, after the...
Mix up now.
Oh my goodness, it's turning red for me. Yeah. Oh, it's turning to pink. Red and white makes pink, so it's turning to pink. It's pink. It's pink, Mommy.
Yay.
Pink color for girl. Pink. Mix. Oh my goodness. Here. A little closer to me. Whoa. Oh my goodness, there's some glue.
Next is put some 1/2
That's enough, I think.
1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then the 2 tablespoon of the, what you call this one? There.
Okay.
We need this one. About 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Mm-hmm. One.
I was washing my hands. It's sticky. Mommy. Oh, I love this slime.
Okay, I'm gonna mix the solution and this baking soda.
Woo! It's making slime. Slime. Hey, I know how to do good. Slime. Oh my goodness, this is definitely slime. This is definitely sticky. This is so slimy. Oh, I'm gonna mix it up with Mommy's too. Meatball.
Okay, just a little. Okay, that's enough.
Oh my goodness, I did have to turn with it.
Okay,
Wait, I want to turn.
gentle. Okay, that's enough. Mix it up.
Hey. Now mix it. Tiffy, mix your blue.
Mix it up.
What is gonna make? Blueberries.
Blueberries.
Oh my goodness, what color is that? Blue. Pinky blue's awesome.
Whoa, awesome.
Awesome color. It's like the sky. It's like the sky color. It's like the... The blue is mixed good. Hey, Mom,
Come on, mix it
up.
up.
The accessories. We forgot the accessories. Mom, where'd you go? Mommy, we forgot the accessories.
I don't know. Yeah, it's getting there, baby. Ooh.
Wow. Mommy, this I also like this slime. It's blue.
Sticky.
Oh my goodness, it's slimy.
Slimy.
That's you.
Is a horseshoe?
Yes, we're my spirit.
Oh, it's like spirit. Yay! What are you making, Sammy? Are you making donut?
No, just ring.
Okay. Give it away from your shirt, please. Give it away from your shirt.
I make spirit mouth.
A spirit mouth? Oh my goodness.
Good. Bye.
Is that spirit poopy?
Yes, it is. Yeah.